In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access IPO on Moomoo. If you're curious about investing in companies right as they go public, the Moomoo app makes it straightforward to find and subscribe to initial public offerings, or IPOs. Before we jump into the app, make sure a few basics are covered so everything works smoothly. You'll need a verified Moomoo brokerage account, funds deposited in that account, and IPOs that are currently available in your region. Availability varies, and some offerings only appear during a set subscription window. If you ever see a message that says, "No available IPO," that simply means there aren't any open subscriptions for your account at the moment. Let's walk through the app flow. Start by opening the Moomoo app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap Markets. This is your hub for market-wide information and products, including IPOs. Next, select Stocks and choose the market you're interested in, such as US or HK. IPO access is market-specific, so picking the right region helps you see the offerings that apply to you. Once you're in the correct market, tap IPOs. This brings up the IPO Center inside Moomoo. Here, you'll see two primary sections. Available shows IPOs that are currently open for subscription. These are the offerings you can act on now, provided you meet eligibility and have sufficient funds. Listing soon highlights upcoming IPOs that aren't open yet, but are on the way. This section is helpful for planning ahead, keeping an eye on timelines, and gauging interest. When you find a company you're interested in, tap its name to open the detail page. You'll typically see key information like the subscription period, expected pricing range, the minimum lot size, and an estimated listing date if available. This page helps you understand what you're subscribing to and whether it fits your strategy and budget. When you're ready, press Subscribe. The app will guide you through confirming your subscription. Make sure you have enough settled funds and that the offering is available for your account type and region. Keep in mind, subscribing to an IPO does not guarantee allocation. Final shares received can depend on demand and offering rules. If no IPOs appear under available, don't worry, offerings come in cycles. Check back during active subscription periods and ensure you've selected the correct market in the stock section. That's all you need to access IPOs in Moomoo. Open the app, head to Markets, choose your region under Stocks, tap IPOs, and subscribe to offerings that are open and suitable for you.